This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. Rare opportunity to build or rehab on a .89-acre wooded lot in East Memphis sought after Hedgemoor neighborhood. 1-story 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath mid-century modern ripe for renovation, or build your dream house. Many cool features throughout. Cannot be subdivided. House to be sold as is. Properties like this will always be desired, so go ahead and grab it while you can. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.